Welcome to the workbench. Today we're going to use these three pieces of wire to make a cage for our crystal. First, we'll take a thinner wire, place it across our three wires. We hold them in place and start wrapping them together like so. Make sure your coil is tightly packed and the turns close to each other. Once we're in this position, I usually use my pliers to help me out. It gives you a much firmer grip. We do it like this. We keep wrapping slowly until everything is neatly bound, like this, turning and turning. As you can see, we have a little bit of excess wire here, so we just finished wrapping it like this. This wrapped section needs to match the width of our crystal. Now it's ready. We can slide it into position and adjust it. Next, we're going to cut the excess wire in both sides, just like that, and then also this one. We flatten it well so there are no sharp ends. Now that we are in this position and our three wires are securely bound, we can compress the coil, and then we're going to clamp right here and bend these wires upward. We'll do the exact same thing on the other side, like so. Hold the wires and bend them up. Once bent, we have this shape. Let's make sure everything is straight. This one bent a little out of line, so let's keep it all nice and straight. Now, pay attention. We're going to take the outermost wires on each side and push them all the way down. Pull them down like this, like so. What we're going to do next is to cross them over. These two, we cross them over to form a small triangle, and we do the same thing in the other side. Now we're in this position. Let's just double check that both triangles are the same size. Now, once we're here in this position, we need to straighten the wires upward from the first bend. We're gonna hold the wire right here and bring it straight up like so. We do the same with the other one. Well, this is a little bit, let's just make it nice like this. Now we're gonna hold the wire in the other side to do the same, holding and straight it up. Now we have this position. Now we're going to test fit our crystal inside. If we try to close, look, if we try to close the cage right now, it wouldn't fit because this angle is way too narrow. To create some space, we're going to clamp these two side wires and push them outward like so. Now, using the exact same angle, we'll do the same on the other side with these two, like so, like that. Hold these two wires, push them up until we get small cradle. We have the small cradle, and we can put there our crystal. Now let's straighten out our imperfections, because some wires go a little warped. They need to point straight up. This side turn a bit crooked and asymmetrical, but let's fix it like this. There we go. All the outer wires should now be facing upward. And in this position, next we're going to trim and even out these wires so they are all the same length, like that. And now we can start closing the cage. We're going to make loops on our outermost wires, this one, and this one, to start closing the frame and trap our crystal. Now let's make the loop here, like so, and then match it on the other side, like so. Make the turn so that both loops face the same direction. Now for the other side, turn the wire until the loop is completely closed, and do the same with the remaining wire. With this one, we turn, and they should face each other, like so, like this. Now place the crystal inside the cage. We're going to link the loops using a jump ring that match the size of our piece. Now using a jump ring, we're going to put it through the two loops on this side. These two loops, we put it in one and then the other side. Catch the first loop and the second, we have it there, and we're also going to slide this center wire, this post wire inside, and use a second pair of pliers because my fingers won't fit. Hold the jump ring and close it. That's how one side looks. Now it's fully closed. Let's do the exact same thing on the other side. Take these two loops that don't have this one, they don't have any ring yet. Catch the first one and the second one, and slide the center wire in as well. This center wire, we put it there, and then we're gonna close. We close the jump ring with the post or center wire inside, like so. Let's see, just like this, and we close it shut. Look, our quartz is safely locked inside the cage. Now we just need to make a top loop for the bail. We're gonna cut both remaining center wires to the same length. Make sure they are even, and let's make a loop here like so. This little eyelet. Now let's make another loop on the other side. We'll straight out any bends in a moment because now, now from this position, we're going to add the final jump rings. Now we'll put one jump ring on this eyelet like so, and we close it. Then we'll take another small jump ring and do the same on the opposite side. Let me open the jump ring. Oh, and we put it in the other side like so, right here, and close it. Lastly, we attach our bail. Hold the pendant like this, upside down, so the side rings hang down. Hook the bail through both of them like so, and close it tight. We close it, and there you have it, a beautiful pendant, perfect for a necklace. Thank you.